Hi friends, I'm Emma. Today we're going to draw a rainbow-colored apple. Let's start! For the first lines, draw slowly and carefully so the apple shape is smooth. We can't use an eraser, right? Try to keep your hand steady so the curves look soft and pretty. The outline is done. Now I'll add a little stem and a cute leaf. Wow! It already looks like a real apple. Let's trace the outline again to make it bold and clear. A nice dark outline makes the apple pop more on the paper. Time to color. Green. First, the leaf will be a bright green, just like fresh leaves in spring.
The cow takes the dog. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat. The dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse. The cat takes the mouse.
Brown. The stem will be brown, just like the ones you see in the garden. Now we start on the apple. Red. The top will be red, red like a sweet strawberry.
The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
Fill it in slowly so the color is smooth and even. Look how bright it's getting already. Orange. Next comes bright orange. After orange, we add sunny yellow. Yellow. Yellow like the morning sunshine. Oh look, a little worm wants to crawl in for a snack. We'll use green again, but this time on the apple's body. Green. It's like the apple is smiling at us in its brand new rainbow coat. Make sure every space is filled. Finally, we'll color the bottom with cool blue. Blue. Now the apple has all the colors of the rainbow. It looks so cute that I almost don't want to take a bite. Today's drawing was so much fun. I'm really happy we painted together. I can't wait to see you again in the next video.